Hello insiders, welcome back to my channel again. In today's video, we are going to look at how to post a unit with the help of AppFolio. And AppFolio is actually integrated with multiple other platforms like Zillow, Zumper, Hotpads, and all the other top tier websites. And within just a single click, you will publish all the vacancy to all the other websites. So that is a super feature that we have. And I think this will be super useful for marketing, leasing, and all the other teams that are actively trying to market vacancies. So before diving in, I have a pro tip for you. Please make sure that you refresh this posting at least once in every 5 days so that your posting is updated and also shows at the top of the search. So please make sure to do that every 5 days. And if you have a virtual assistant or a marketing team who is dedicated on this, please make sure that you do that. So let's dive right into it. And as we go and click on leasing, and as you know, you have vacancies and click on vacancy. So once you are inside the page, as you can see here, you will have all the properties that are vacant listed here. So this is again within the leasing, as you can see on the left side within the leasing option. And here on the right side, you can create a new vacancy or send an application to someone, create a new guest card, identify a lease template and try to modify that based on the need. If not, then you can also use the report section to build the report and analyze how we are performing in terms of portfolio. Now, our goal again here is to see how we can post the units. As you can see here, there are multiple options that we have. If you click on sort by, you opt in, so you can see here you have multiple options: name, market rent, advertised rent, website, bedroom, availability date, and everything. So at this point of time, I'm more interested in market rent because I try to classify and prioritize units based on that. And as you can see here, the first property that we have is a good rent and it's actually occupied. So I wanted to unpost it and let me do that later. So at this point of time, as you can see, there are two options. So option number one is website and option number two is internet. So let me just quickly introduce you to website and internet. So website is something that AppFolio gives you, xyz.appfolio.com. It will be the property management company's name, xyz at xyz.appfolio.com. And the internet is the websites that are linked with AppFolio. For example, apartment.com, Zillow, then Zumper, Hotpads, and all the other websites that are actually in tie-up with AppFolio at this point of time. So how to post the website. So just click on this. As you can see here, if you just click on this, it will automatically post the unit to the website. And if you click on this, it will automatically post your unit to the internet. And before doing that, what I recommend is click on this action. And as you can see here, you will have three options. One, download marketing flyer, post vacancy manually, and remove vacancy list. So at this point of time, as this unit is occupied, I would like to remove this from the vacancy list. But in general, what I recommend is please make sure that you actually download this flyer for two reasons. One, you can download this flyer and check if all the marketing data are good. There are many other ways to check. In general, I use this method because we also do offline marketing and it is very easy for us to take care of that. So download this marketing flyer, just click on this. It Once you download the flyer, you will have all the details that are ready for the marketing. You will have the marketing description, the total monthly rent, when it is available, bedrooms, bathroom, photos, and everything. And we generally try to use these flyers for offline marketing also. So I recommend that you also try this option to improve the top funnel. And post vacancy manually is actually you have to post everything manually. You need to add photos, you need to make sure that you have all the descriptions, anything, all those details will be pre-filled if you have a property page. And once all the details are there, then I think you can easily posted. I generally don't use this because it's definitely time consuming. So I download the market flyer, then review that. If that sounds good, then I'll come here and I will post the unit. And again, a pro tip, if during the starting of the video, I mentioned that you need to refresh the postings. And the easiest way for us to do the actually just come to the same page as you can see here, updated. So just click on this and it will automatically upload and update the latest. And if you have made some changes to the marketing content, let's say, for example, you have added a promotion. And once you add a promotion within the property, just come here, click on this, and your listing will be automatically published. So I recommend you do this at least once in every 5 days so that your listing gets shape. And you can see all the details here that are super useful for you. I'm going to show you which of these websites we have actually posted. So click on the property name here. Once you're inside, as you can see here, you will have multiple options. Property, of course, property detail, unit. I'm actually inside a specific unit now. And you have unit groups, which we can discuss later. We have unit types. We can actually group those by a single family, multifamily, and all those things. Here is what we are looking for. So we need to click on this to look at all the websites that it has been listed. Once you click on that, you will be prompted to this page. And as you can see, where is my property listed? All these websites are linked with AppFolio, and you can see that they have been submitted or either live. So if it says live, then it is actually now published to all these websites. And if it says submitted, then it has been sent to them and it is actually waiting for them to approve the posting. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much. Please do subscribe for more useful contents. Thank you and have a wonderful day.